Jenny, my sweet angels. I think this is the beginning of a new vlog, vlog 4, I believe, of my time in LA. It is coming into almost my last week, which is very sad. It's my last week at Madeline's, so I'm sad. Like, I'm definitely starting to feel sad. I woke up early this morning and I'm about to go meet up with my friend Danny to work at a coffee shop. I have a video to edit, and then later I'm going to the Selva Negra store, which is one of my favorite brands, small designer, like just so, their stuff is really beautiful. So I'm excited to go there and have like some exciting new discoveries. Like I just like have to tell you that I cuddled someone last night. You know, like usually I wouldn't expose that to a vlog, but like I just feel inclined to tell you guys because it was really special and I just like can't believe that we met. I brought out her all of her toys for her to feel loved. Yes, I'm watching Madeline's dog for the last week that I'm staying here and I'm so excited. Violet is literally probably the most precious, sweet angel I've ever met in my entire life. She's so cute and she's so sweet and just chill and loves to be pet and cuddled, and last night was so fun. She jumped up on the bed with me and we watched a movie, and when I woke up this morning she was laying like right next to my back, like on the pillow next to me. It was so sweet. It's making me really consider what life with a dog would be like, and we woke up early and we went on a walk. It was fresh. So I'm happy to be watching her. It's the last week here. I'm so sad. I'm so sad. Okay, Violet and I are gonna have a little outing together, and we're heading over to the Selva Negra store right now. We're gonna go say hey and look at some clothes, and it's gonna be so cute and fun. And apparently Violet loves car rides, so she's gonna go meet some people, have like a nice little day together. Packaging looks like this, but I've heard good things about them. early with little Violet. We chilled in bed, and now I'm meeting up with Anthony, and we're going to Cafe Gratitude. I haven't been there yet, so I just like, we're gonna check it out. I'm very excited to see him. He's actually here right now. He's gonna pick me up, and we're gonna go. Wow.
I forget. Yeah, that
hot sauce.
Oh, awesome. Thank you so much. Enjoy it. Cool.
The other stuff should be out.
Thank you so much.
So. Ooh, that's really
You
good.
have to do it in one. Oh, you're sharing it?
No, I want to give you some.
Wow.
Just joking. It was a joke. I wasn't really trying to.
Or cold brew or an iced latte or
Oh
like
yeah,
an iced
cold brew would be
Americano.
awesome.
Usually when people put cayenne in things, it's like a year-old cayenne.
Oh, see, I do
Pepper.
feel like cayenne is always like a year old. There's no way
Yeah,
for it
and
not
so
to
cayenne's
be.
never hot to
Yeah.
me, but that's hot. Oh, sorry. But yeah, I was just joking. I really wasn't trying to vlog her.
I know. It's another beautiful day in Los Angeles. It's so nice here. It's so sunny. I can't believe it's so warm all the time. It's really wild. It's November. My day, I'm going to see Julia. It's Blitz. We're gonna have a little brekkie at her place. I'm so excited. I want to touch her cats. She's like breakfast queen. I feel like she always makes the best breakfasts, so I'm excited for that. Yesterday was fun. I hung out with Anthony. Love Anthony, he's so funny. We had a good time. 5 days left at Madeline's. This weekend is Halloween weekend, and I need to, I don't know, I don't really have any like big plans, which I'm not super pressed about. Like, this is just one of those years that like Halloween is not gonna be a big deal for me. So cheers to that. I'm gonna go drive over there. Maybe I'll do a little journaling first, and yeah, it's been definitely nice. Like, Anthony lived in New York for a long time, so did Julia. I feel like it's nice for me to kind of connect with people who've made the transition from New York to LA, because I feel like they have a lot of good input and like kind of get where I'm coming from.
Sir, I think we got off on the wrong foot, and I just wanted to say...
Stop. Explain yourself.
self-guided showing, and I literally have never seen a more beautiful place. It's absolutely so nice, great location. It's huge. It's definitely at the top of my price range of like what I would want to spend, but at the same time it like would be worth it because it's so spacious and I feel like I could really grow into it. thought I would do a little late night check-in. I'm sitting here at the table. I just got home from dinner with Scarlett and Lindsay, which was fun. They went to college together, which is weird. The world is small. I hung out with them, which is really nice. It's been so fun, like getting to know them. I feel like I've just like made some really nice, like very quick, like fast friends out here, which has been like surprising and also really cool. So that's been good. I just thought I'd give like a little update. I was talking to my good friend today, Mare, who you guys have all seen on my channel. This is my last week in LA. I feel like I've just for so long like had so much building up inside of me over this past year, and I feel like I've been working through a lot and pushing myself a lot, and like coming out here was, I feel like, a really good idea, and I feel like I have gotten truly like everything I wanted to get out of this trip, even though I haven't done like the most or seen everyone or like, yeah, like explored the most, but I feel like I got the answers that I was looking for. I woke up the other day just being like, wow, everything like does actually feel like the first time in a long time, like it's lining up. Okay, hi from the next day. Last night I was a little bit rambly because it was late and I had been like driving and I was tired, so I feel like I want to redo some of what I was trying to convey. One, I have not been sleeping well out here. I have not slept. Like it feels like I haven't had a good night's sleep in like 3 weeks, which really hurts me. Mostly because I upped one of my medications and it like makes you a little bit wired, and I think that's why I've like been having trouble sleeping. Not so much like location. However, yes, I was tired last night. I was talking to my good friend Meredith yesterday and she told me this. I feel like it's really applicable to a lot of situations and people, but she said ripe fruit falls fast. And I just like really resonated with that. It takes so much time to ripen. For so long it feels like you're just ripening and like marinating on all of these ideas and things, and then when it actually starts to happen, it happens so quickly and it feels like you don't see it coming. Like it feels like kind of like a surprise, or like everything's happening really quickly, but really there's actually been like a lot of thought and planning and talking to people that I've had like behind the scenes, behind like maybe transitioning out of New York. Yeah, it feels really overwhelming, but I am feeling like I don't want to leave, and like I have growth that I would like to do in maybe a new space, and that like feels exciting. I'm definitely still like thinking on everything, and this isn't like an official surprise or anything, but I do really feel like open and like I want to take a risk and I want to be in like a new situation and I want to have to like start over a little bit and like be in a new space that I can build like these new parts of me without having to like hold on to old aspects. Like you can't run away from your problems, and I definitely don't think that's what I'm doing. New York actually has been really good to me the past like few months. I was like finally feeling like I was getting somewhere, which of course, like I feel like that's how it happens. I had therapy this morning and was just talking about that, of just it's really easy to feel like there's always gonna be unfinished business no matter where you go, and it's really easy to feel that way with bigger cities because there's just like so many different paths you can take and like lives you can live. But yeah, running away from your problems, if you're not being super aware of like exactly what it is that you're feeling, I think is not the goal, which I don't think I'm doing, which I think I'm just realizing that I could set myself up in a more secure way and still like have a lot of the same things at the same time. So that feels exciting, and I do feel excited for the first time in a while in like a really genuine way. Like things are just clicking. But I mean, I end the vlog here. And I have a few more days left here, so there'll be more, and I will see you all in the next one.